Hi, Teresa from Anjurisa here. Today, I will show you how to make a quick and budget-friendly pouch using continuous zipper as requested by one of our friends. We are going to make this pouch in just 3 simple steps. This little project is perfect if you want to mass produce or make gifts in bulk. One of my favorite things about using a continuous zipper is that you can choose any zipper pull you like. It's so fun to customize. When I say it's quick and budget-friendly, I really mean it. No lining, no fancy tools, no clips, and no ironing. Even beginners can finish this in a short time. Let's get started. The easiest fabric to sew for this project is canvas, but you can use any heavyweight fabric you already have. We only need 2 pieces of fabric in the same size, and 1 continuous zipper that is slightly longer than the fabric for easier sewing. Position the zipper pull right at the edge, not in the middle, so sewing is faster and smoother. Step 1. Attaching the zipper. With the zipper right side up, place one of the main fabric right side facing down. Take this straight to the sewing machine and sew the layers together. You don't need to use fabric clips for this project. To make the whole process quicker, I will use only a zipper foot from start to finish. So there's no need to change the presser fit. As you can see, because we placed the zipper pull at the edge, we don't need to stop and slide the pull while sewing. It really saves time. Flip the fabric over, then attach the second piece. Same method, zipper right side up, main fabric right side down. Make sure the edges of the fabric match perfectly with the first one for a neater finish. Again, straight to the sewing machine, hold the fabric with your hand and sew. No clips needed. Flip the fabric over and add a top stitch near the zipper. This makes the pouch look cleaner and helps the zipper lay flat. Again, I say this is quick and budget friendly, so no fancy tool, no ironing needed. Once both sides are attached, you can now slide the zipper pull into the middle, and we are ready for the next step. Sewing the pouch. Place the fabrics right sides together, sew around all sides to close the pouch. At the zipper area, make sure to add extra back stitching to secure it nicely. Trim any excess zipper. If you enjoy quick and beginner-friendly projects like this, you can check out my Etsy for more sewing patterns. I've added a link in the description. Feel free to take a look. If you want, you can burn the cut edge of the zipper slightly to prevent fraying. This only works on nylon or plastic coil zippers. It won't work on metal zippers. If you're not sure, test on a small piece first before burning your real project. For the last step, we will finish the corners. Unzip the zipper, reach inside the pouch, and open up one corner. Match the seams carefully for a tidy finish. Then sew a straight line across, perpendicular to the seam. Repeat for the other corner. We are keeping this project quick, so we won't mark anything. You can simply use the guideline on your sewing machine. A 5/8 or 3/4 inch line works well, depending on how wide you want the base to be. Turn the pouch right side out. gently push out the corners. When the seams match, the finish will look clean and neat. And that's it! Our quick and budget-friendly pouch is finished. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this simple project inspires you to sew more today. If you enjoyed this video, please support the channel by liking and subscribing. It really helps me. See you in the next video, and as always, happy crafting!